Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming access prerequisites. Open Instagram and get to the login page, and retrieve your saved backup codes now. Once you have your username or linked phone and the backup code list, make sure the codes correspond to this account because they are single-use. If codes are stored offline, open that file or note. Acting now avoids delays when you hit two-factor prompts, so pause any other steps and focus on the code list before proceeding to login. You enter your username and password, and when Instagram asks for the two-factor code, select Use Backup Code. Then type a single backup code exactly as shown. Small mistakes break the attempt, so copy carefully. Once done, Instagram should accept the code and sign you in. This works because backup codes bypass the usual authenticator or SMS step. If it rejects a code, use another unused code right away. They're one-time only. So rotate through them. After you sign in, go to Settings, Security, then Two-Factor Authentication to generate new backup codes and reconfigure methods. This prevents future lockouts. Once done, make sure your phone number and recovery email are current so SMS or reset links work. If codes don't work and you remain locked out, start an account recovery request with Instagram using your linked email or phone. Provide photos or account details if asked. One key tip: never share or photograph backup codes. Store them offline and in a secure place.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.